गुलबर्गा शहर के अल बदर डेंटल कॉलेज एंड हॉस्पिटल में 3 और 4 जून 2026 को 5वां IOMR कर्नाटका स्टेट यूजी कॉन्फ्रेंस 2026 होने जा रहा है। इस कॉन्फ्रेंस के सिलसिले में एक प्रेस मीट ऑर्गेनाइज कर डिटेल बताए गए, जिसमें अल बदर डेंटल कॉलेज एंड हॉस्पिटल के चेयरमैन डॉक्टर MA मुजीब साहब, प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर सैयद जकाउल्ला, वाइस प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर अरशद हुसैन और ऑर्गेनाइजिंग चेयरमैन प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर सैयदा अर्शिया आरा ने कॉन्फ्रेंस की तफसीलात मीडिया के सामने रखी। उन्होंने बताया कि 5वां IOMR यानी इंडियन एकेडमी ऑफ ओरल मेडिसिन एंड रेडियोलॉजी की तरफ से ऑर्गेनाइज किए जा रहे इस कॉन्फ्रेंस का थीम लर्न, डिटेक्ट, प्रिवेंट एंड इनोवेट रखा गया है। इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में कर्नाटक और दूसरे स्टेट्स के कुल 18 कॉलेजेस से डेंटल स्टूडेंट्स और एक्सपर्ट्स शिरकत करेंगे, जहां मॉडर्न डेंटिस्ट्री, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, CBCT टेक्नोलॉजी, ओरल मेडिसिन और डेंटल फोटोग्राफी जैसे इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स पर स्पेशल गेस्ट लेक्चर्स और वर्कशॉप्स ऑर्गेनाइज किए जाएंगे। स्टूडेंट्स के लिए साइंटिफिक पेपर और पोस्टर प्रेजेंटेशंस भी रखे गए हैं, जहां बेहतरीन प्रेजेंटेशंस को अवार्ड से नवाजा जाएगा। इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में चीफ गेस्ट के तौर पर कर्नाटक के मेडिकल एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर डॉक्टर शरण प्रकाश रुद्रप्पा पाटिल शिरकत करेंगे। इसके अलावा बेंगलोर डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी के चेयरमैन प्रोफेसर राज साहब AH, गुलबर्गा नॉर्थ MLA कानिज फातिमा और जेम्स हॉस्पिटल के डीन डॉक्टर उमेश SR भी खास मेहमान के तौर पर मौजूद रहेंगे। अगर आप डेंटल फील्ड से जुड़े हुए हैं और लेटेस्ट डेंटल टेक्नोलॉजी और इनोवेशंस को सीखना चाहते हैं, तो अल बदर डेंटल कॉलेज गुलबर्गा का यह कॉन्फ्रेंस आपके लिए एक बेहतरीन प्लेटफॉर्म साबित हो सकता है। इस कॉन्फ्रेंस की पूरी डिटेल प्रेस मीट के जरिए शेयर की गई है, इसलिए वीडियो एंड तक जरूर देखें।
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Mujib. I am chairman of this trust and chairman of Al Badaar Dental College. We are going to conduct one 5th IAOMR. This is Indian Academy of Oral Medicine and Radiology, Karnataka State Branch for UG conference. This is the 5th conference in Karnataka, and we are happy to say that we thank the people of this organization to trust us and give us an opportunity to conduct a very big conference in Kalburgi. तो यहाँ पे जो participants हैं almost from Karnataka, Maharashtra, Telangana and Andhra, and 18 colleges are participating in this conference. The registration, 482 students have registered till today. We are expecting another 100 more. 166 abstract scientific sessions are there. 250 presenters are there. Presenters, poster presentations and scientific presentations. And 7 speakers are there. 7 guest lectures are there. And 3 very big workshops are there. और इसमें ट्रेड फेयर भी लगेगा, वेयर एवरी डेलीगेट विल हैव एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू सी दैट के इंडिया में या वर्ल्ड में जो लोग टेक्निक इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं उसके प्रोडक्ट्स क्या है, इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स, इक्विपमेंट्स के लिए वो भी एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है। बेसिकली ये कॉन्फ्रेंस करने का क्या है, अंडर ग्रेजुएट को डेंटिस्ट्री बहुत बूम में आ गई है। अभी बीच में थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हुआ था, बट नाउ एवरीबडी हैज़ वर्क रियली हार्ड. Especially in India and especially in the Karnataka, we have got almost more than 40 dental colleges in Karnataka, and we always been, from past 34 years we are running this institute. Started with 40 intake, gone to 100, then post graduation. There are almost 7 post graduation center with 5 seats in each faculties and departments. बेसिकली डेंटिस्ट्री एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है जो स्माइल देता है लोगों को. इट्स वेरी प्लेज ए इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल आपकी डे टू डे लाइफ में, कि ओरल हाइजीन को लेके. और सब में खास बात क्या है, ये स्किल्ड बेस्ड है और ये स्किल्स टेक्नोलॉजी बेस्ड हो गया, डिजिटलाइजेशन इसमें आ गया. तो स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ है और इंडस्ट्री वर्ल्ड में बहुत ग्रो हो रही है. एट प्रेजेंट $450 बिलियन का है, but by 2032 they may cross about 1.2 trillion industry. तो हमारे जो कल्याण कर्नाटक के लोगों को अपॉर्चुनिटी देना चाहिए कि डेंटल को आप करो. नीट के थ्रू आना है, एडमिशंस आर ओनली थ्रू द नीट. लेट इट बी ए गवर्नमेंट सीट और प्राइवेट और मैनेजमेंट, जो भी सीट आप करना है वो है. एंड वी हैव वेरी गुड फैकल्टी एंड हमारा कॉलेज NAAC accredited है. And we have a lot of PhD staff, and we have 2 recognized PhD centers. तो डेंटिस्ट्री की इम्पोर्टेंस दिखाने के लिए वी आर कंडक्टिंग दिस वर्कशॉप। 2 days का है, 3rd and 4th है।
Not all. I am Dr. Sayyada Arshiara, organizing chairman and chairman for the scientific committee for the 5th IOMR Karnataka State Conference 2026. Now, this is basically conference we are organizing to promote the specialty of oral medicine and radiology. Now, here I would like to tell that we have 9 specializations in dentistry and 1 specialization is oral medicine and radiology. Now, this is one branch in dentistry where when the patient comes to the dental college, there are a lot of disorders. Dentistry is not just about 32 teeth, it is the integration of oral health with the systems of the body. So hence we need the knowledge of all the systems of the body. Now this is a very, very special branch in dentistry where we treat lot of lesion cases, pre-malignant cases, oral cancer cases, orofacial pain cases, and all the patients who are habituated with the habits of tobacco, gutka and all. So this is a very special branch in dentistry where only the specialist as oral medicine and radiology can treat the patients, not the other branches of dentistry. So the main aim of the conference is to highlight the specialty of oral medicine and radiology, to promote the faculty of oral medicine and radiology. So with this aim, I as an organizing chairman and scientific committee chairman has curated all the scientific sessions keeping in view the theme of the conference. We have the theme Learn, Detect, Prevent and Innovate. So with this theme, we have curated all the scientific lectures and workshops of the conference. The students are benefited not only with the theoretical knowledge in the conference, we have organized certain workshops where they will be learning the skill-based practice in dentistry. Now these workshops are by our renowned speakers where they will be teaching the students about the practical skills. Now we have kept all the lectures, guest lectures with the theme. We have taken the very upgraded topics so that our students learn beyond the curriculum and academics. So they will be learning the things from the renowned speakers and they will be detecting all the diseases of the lesions of the oral cavity, and that will help them to prevent the diseases and innovate few technologies so that it will benefit the entire community of Kalburgi population as well as the patients visiting the dental college. So it is a very updated speakers are there and hands-on workshop is also there to learn the practical skills in treating the patients, and certain innovations also will be there which the students will be learning. And it's my proud privilege to announce that we have registrations from n number of dental colleges in and around Bangalore, then other areas of Karnataka, then Davangiri, Bapuji Dental College, College of Dental Sciences, then VS Dental College, BITS, Government Dental College, Rajeshwari Dental College, AME's Dental College, Navodaya Dental College, and from Kalburgi we have registrations from ESIC Dental College as well as from HKE's SN Institute of Dental Sciences and Research. Now, apart from this, we have registrations from Telangana also, from Kamaneni Institute as well as from Maharashtra also. So in total, we have around 482 to 500 registrations, and lots of scientific presentations are going to be there, which have been scheduled and updated to all the delegates of the registered delegates of the conference. So the entire conference will be based on the theme Learn, Detect, Prevent and Innovate.
Good morning. Myself, Dr. Syed Zakawallah, Principal of Al-Badr Dental College and Hospital. Today, we are hosting this press meet because we are organizing or conducting a state level 5th IOMR state level UG conference. This conference is especially for the undergraduate students. Usually most of the conferences for the postgraduate students. Here we have got the chance from the Indian Association of Oral Medicine and Radiology has given us the opportunity to organize this UG conference, and the inauguration of this conference will be on 3rd of June. So in this, various guests have given their consent to attend that because of some issues, political, this one. Dr. Sharan Prakash ji has given his consent to inaugurate this. Then Kanis Fatima, North MLA, has also given the consent. And Mr. Raja Sahab has given the consent. So this conference almost, it is a very good thing that we are hosting this. Total near about 480 registration has done. More than 200 presentations will be there, and various students have registered for this conference across Karnataka, Maharashtra, Telangana, and Andhra Pradesh. So the intention of this conference is to give an opportunity for an undergraduate student to learn what all the advances are there going on. So that's why we are hosting. We have near about 7 good lectures are there, and more than 7 workshop presentations are there. Then we have 3 workshops are there. So in this total, the total 250 students are going to present their own presentation, paper presentation. And it is a very big thing that undergraduate student is taking interest into the dentistry, to what the advances are going in dentistry. Apart from that, our college is established in 1992-93. Our college has a NAC accredited. We have 100 BDS intake admissions in our college. We have 7 department post graduation. We have already applied for another new branch, that is pediatric, that is the 8th branch, which is going to incorporate for the post graduation. We have a PhD in 2 departments, that is oral and maxillofacial surgery and oral medicine and radiology. Our college results are very good. Ambience is very good. Staff is very excellent staff we have. We have one of the best institute in Karnataka. Apart from that, our college, all classrooms are AC. All materials, all labs are updated with latest equipments are available in our college. And we are more concentrating to give the quality of services to the region of Gulbarga people. So in this platform, I can also say that I urge or request the Gulbarga people to come and visit for their treatment, because if the patients are going for the clinic outside, so they will be charging more. Here, they are only material charges we will take and give the best treatment to the patients. So with this, so I will be expecting you people all to come for the inauguration on 3rd of June. So sharp, the opening will be at 11:30 a.m. So I request you all to please come and telecast the same thing, so that it will be awareness of all the Gulbarga people for this conference. Thank you.
The Department of Oral Medicine and Radiology is well equipped with all the state-of-art equipments, and it is we have established a CBCT center, that is Cone Beam Computed Tomography Center, for the advanced imaging modality for diagnosis of the head and neck disorders. And the department is also equipped and established with a tobacco cessation center. Now, this is the main highlight of ARDCH, where this center is established in the Department of Oral Medicine and Radiology for the screening of patients. And we do also conduct a lot of training and capacity building programs for the knowledge and benefit of the community for the cessation of tobacco. And we also treat a lot of comorbidities in connection with this habituated individuals. And our center, my department is also recognized as a PhD center from Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, and I am a recognized PhD guide from Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences. We are also running a postgraduate course also in the department. And we also promote a lot of undergraduate research in the department. Now, postgraduate research is a part of curriculum. We especially concentrate on the undergraduate research, and we try to promote the undergraduate research. In this connection, we also get a lot of grants from certain apex bodies like Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Vision Group of Science and Technology, Government of Karnataka, as well as from Karnataka Science and Technology Association also. So this was all the update about the department. And we also have established an orofacial pain clinic in the department, where we have machines from Bryo company, and we treat a lot of patients with the pain who are suffering from orofacial pain. So we do a lot of research also from Tobacco Cessation Center also, as well as from CBCT and orofacial pain clinic also. So in total, it is a well-established department with all the complete infrastructure and modern equipped facilities. To promote the faculty, we also work in association with Indian Academy of Oral Medicine and Radiology, national body, as well as the Karnataka state branch. So conference is in association with Indian Academy of Oral Medicine and Radiology, Karnataka state branch. So in this regard, we thank the association members as well as the office bearers for permitting us to organize this 5th IOMR Karnataka State Conference 2026. Thank you.